The 2026 Bajaj Qute is changing the way we think about small city vehicles. It's not a bike, and it's not a full-size car. Instead, it's a smart, compact quadricycle designed for daily urban travel. With rising fuel costs and crowded streets, the Qute feels more relevant than ever. Compact design made for the city. The 2026 Bajaj Qute keeps its ultra-compact size, making it perfect for tight roads and busy traffic. Parking is easy, U-turns take less space, and driving through narrow lanes feels stress-free. The updated design looks cleaner and more modern while still staying practical. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Bajaj Qute comes with a small but efficient engine built for city use. It's not made for racing, but it delivers smooth and reliable performance for everyday commuting. The focus is on low running costs and dependable travel, especially for short distances. Mileage and running cost. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Qute is its fuel efficiency. It offers excellent mileage compared to regular cars, making it ideal for people who want to save money on fuel. Lower maintenance and affordable parts make it a budget-friendly option in the long run. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Qute offers basic but functional comfort. Seating is simple, controls are easy to use, and visibility is good for city driving. It's designed to get you from point A to point B safely and comfortably, without unnecessary luxury. Safety and use case. The 2026 Bajaj Qute is best suited for urban commuting, delivery services, and short daily trips. It's safer than a two-wheeler and more economical than a traditional car. For city life, it strikes a smart balance. Final thoughts. The 2026 Bajaj Qute is a practical solution for modern urban mobility. If you want an affordable, fuel-efficient, and compact vehicle for city use, the Qute could be the perfect choice.